Hollywood has always depended on visual effects to bring imagination to life on screen. But in recent years, the demand for higher quality visuals has grown beyond expectations. Audiences now expect cinematic experiences in every show and movie they watch. This has created enormous pressure on studios to deliver stunning visuals faster than ever. Netflix, the streaming giant, has discovered a secret weapon to meet this demand. That weapon is generative artificial intelligence applied to visual effects production. AI is now helping Netflix cut costs, save time, and enhance creativity simultaneously. It allows artists to achieve results that once required massive teams and long timelines. The technology is reshaping how Netflix tells stories and builds immersive worlds. Let us explore how generative AI is changing the future of visual storytelling at Netflix. 1. The pressure on visual effects. Netflix produces hundreds of shows and films every single year. Each project requires complex effects ranging from explosions to fantasy landscapes. Traditional VFX pipelines are slow, expensive, and highly labor-intensive. Deadlines often clash with the enormous demand for streaming content globally. Studios face long render times that delay final production schedules. As audiences expect more realism, the workload on artists only increases. This pressure has forced Netflix to search for innovative solutions. Generative AI became the answer to meeting both speed and quality. 2. What generative AI can do. Generative AI refers to algorithms that create new content from existing data. It can generate realistic textures, environments, and even characters instantly. AI tools automate repetitive tasks like rotoscoping, masking, and background replacement. They can design new landscapes that look natural yet entirely fictional. Instead of days, effects can now be produced within hours or minutes. AI also learns from artist input to improve quality over time. The result is more creative freedom combined with faster production cycles. Netflix quickly saw the potential of using AI in its VFX division. 3. Streamlining production workflows. One of AI's biggest advantages is streamlining the production pipeline. VFX artists traditionally spend countless hours on repetitive manual work. AI now handles these tasks, freeing artists to focus on creativity. Machine learning algorithms automate cleanup, motion tracking, and object removal. Backgrounds can be generated instantly without green screens or massive sets. This reduces both costs and logistical challenges during filming. The streamlined workflow allows Netflix to handle larger volumes of projects easily. It ensures deadlines are met without sacrificing the quality audiences expect. 4. Cost reduction with AI. Producing high-end VFX is notoriously expensive for studios. Every additional effect can push budgets millions higher than planned. Generative AI drastically lowers these costs by cutting labor hours. It reduces the need for massive rendering farms and long processing times. Smaller teams can now accomplish what once required hundreds of people. AI-generated assets can be reused across different projects when necessary. This efficiency helps Netflix stretch its budget while still delivering world-class visuals. Cost reduction is one of the strongest reasons Netflix invests in AI tools. 5. Enhancing creative possibilities. Generative AI does not just reduce costs, it expands imagination. Artists can now experiment with ideas that were previously impossible. AI can create alien worlds, mythical creatures, and surreal landscapes with ease. It allows directors to visualize concepts instantly before committing to production. This rapid prototyping makes creative experimentation faster and cheaper. Instead of limitations, AI becomes a tool that enhances artistic vision. Netflix encourages its creators to use AI as a partner, not a replacement. The result is more daring and visually stunning storytelling on the platform. 6. Case studies from Netflix productions. Several Netflix projects have already integrated AI-driven visual effects. Science fiction series used AI to generate futuristic cityscapes instantly. Fantasy dramas employed AI to create detailed magical environments seamlessly. Even thrillers benefited from AI-enhanced atmospheric effects like fog and lighting. AI also helped speed up the production of animated shows and films. These real-world case studies prove the practicality of generative AI. Audiences enjoy more immersive visuals without realizing AI played a role. This quiet revolution is happening behind the screens of Netflix productions. 7. Collaboration between humans and AI. The future of VFX is not humans versus machines, but humans with machines. AI handles repetitive and technical work that slows down artists. Meanwhile, humans focus on storytelling, design, and emotional impact. This collaboration ensures the final product remains authentic and artistic. Netflix invests in training programs to help artists adapt to AI workflows. The company emphasizes that AI will not replace creative professionals entirely. Instead, it empowers them with new capabilities to push artistic boundaries further. The synergy between human vision and AI power is Netflix's secret formula. 8. Ethical and industry concerns. Despite its promise, generative AI raises important ethical questions. Some fear AI could replace jobs in the creative industry. Artists worry about losing control over their craft and originality. There are also debates about intellectual property when AI generates assets. Netflix addresses these concerns by keeping humans central to the process. AI is treated as a tool, not an autonomous creator. The industry is now developing guidelines for fair use of AI in VFX. Balancing ethics with innovation remains an ongoing challenge for streaming platforms. 9. Impact on global competition. The use of AI in VFX gives Netflix a significant advantage. Other studios must now adopt similar tools to keep pace. This creates a new competition based on technological adoption and efficiency. Netflix's early investment ensures it stays ahead of rivals in storytelling quality. AI-driven production may allow Netflix to release content faster than competitors. It could also set new standards for global streaming industries. The race is no longer just about scripts and actors, but about digital innovation. Generative AI is becoming a weapon in the battle for streaming dominance. 10. The future of AI in storytelling. Generative AI is only at the beginning of its potential. Future tools may design entire scenes with minimal human input. AI could simulate realistic crowd behavior or generate entire fictional universes. Netflix is already exploring how AI can personalize storytelling experiences. Imagine shows where effects adapt to your preferences in real time. The future of entertainment will blend creativity with advanced machine intelligence. AI will become an invisible partner shaping the way we consume stories. Netflix is positioning itself at the center of this revolutionary shift. Outro. AI has become Netflix's secret weapon in visual effects production. It reduces costs, accelerates workflows, and unlocks new creative possibilities. Behind every epic scene lies a partnership between human imagination and artificial intelligence. The technology is changing how stories are told and how worlds are created. Netflix's early adoption ensures it stays ahead in the global streaming race. Yet, ethical debates remind us this power must be handled responsibly. The future of storytelling will be shaped by collaboration, not replacement. As AI advances, audiences can expect even more breathtaking experiences on screen. If you enjoyed this breakdown, remember to like this video and subscribe. Together, let us keep exploring the technologies transforming our entertainment world.